people, this is Shraddha Ghak. Thank you very much for watching this video. So first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Shraddha Ghak. I am a 4th year student in GMC Nandurbar, which is a government medical college in Maharashtra. Our medical college has been renamed to Jananayak Birsa Munda Government Medical College, Nandurbar. So introducing in the first leg of the video is because I wanted to do this video. You must have read the title, right? So I have like jotted down some points for a 2 or 3 video series for reviewing our medical college GMC Nandurbar. I put off doing this video in my first or second year because I was relatively new, right? So now being in 4th year, I think it is an apt time. It is an apt time to review this college and tell all those pros and those cons to my fellow juniors who would be admitting themselves here in after the NEET 2026. So without any further ado, let's get started. And if you have any queries regarding this, you can please comment on this video, or you can message me on my Instagram or my Quora account. I am very active there. Okay, so first one. When was the college established? The college was established in the year 2020. So 2020 के जो batch थे ना, that was the first batch, and us being the 2022 batch, we are the third batch here, GMC Nandurbar, and 2026 batch you would be the 7th batch, I guess. So you would be 7th batch. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे seniors रहेंगे आपके पास. So कोई भी चीज़ के लिए there would be like it won't be a bit stressful जैसे हमारे seniors ने या उनके seniors ने days निकाले थे, because there was no guidance from their seniors. But if you would be coming to this college, that question won't be a question in itself, because you would have plenty of good seniors which are in GMC Nandurbar. So that was answered. It is a totally government college in Nandurbar. How many MBBS seats? There are 100 seats per year. 100 seats are filled every year through the counseling round. अपना AIQ also and state also. What is the NEET cutoff? So the NEET cutoff, I would insert a page here from 2022 जहाँ पे मैं admit हुई थी to 2025, the latest cutoff along with the AIR. I would try to put all those pictures here somewhere. And what about the reservation scenario? So the reservation is all the categories are present here: open, OBC, EWS, everything. All the other state categories, defense also is present here. So next is, where exactly is Nandurbar? So Nandurbar is a district in the northern part of Maharashtra. So first there was a bigger district, Dhule, which everybody knows, and Dhule, due to administrative reasons, was divided into two, Nandurbar and Dhule. So Dhule has its own GMC, right? So Nandurbar also has gotten its own GMC. So now, is it safe? Yes and no also. It's safe because there are many students here. There are like 7 batches, like 6 batches, right? So 600 students here are staying here. Along with the locals also in the city region are quite a bit friendly. But there have been some instances around the locals in the rural areas. So it is safe during the day. It is safe, very much safe. But in the night, so. Is it rural or urban? It is an urban and rural both, because there is in the Nandurbar district there is a Nandurbar city, okay, which is urban, and baki ka sab part is rural, right? So all those talukas of Shahada and Taloda and everything, they are all rural. And ये जो Nandurbar city है, जहाँ पे you get everything, the bus stop, the station here, the railway station here, everything comes in the city part of Nandurbar. Next, what are the languages spoken? Okay, so this is very important for the All India guys also, because the languages spoken here are Hindi, Marathi, and the local language here is Ahirani. So now Nandurbar lies in very close proximity to Gujarat as well as Madhya Pradesh. So there is a tinge of Gujarati here as well. So if you are well versed in any of these languages, you would be it would be like a cakewalk here. And if not, you can always learn a new language, and 4 years is enough amount of time to learn a new language, because I have seen many of my batchmates, many of my seniors who did not even know Marathi take beautiful histories in their exams or essay. So it's not a challenge. It is a challenge if you take it up as a challenge, but it's not a big obstacle to take GMC Nandurbar, right? And how to reach? Okay, to be very 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 honest, I know it's a bit shameful, but I did not know where Nandurbar was. Okay, yeah. So how to reach Nandurbar? Nandurbar has its own railway station, Nandurbar railway station here, which lies on the western route, western railway route. India का जो western railway route है, it lies on western railway. So you have Mumbai here, फिर you have Nandurbar, and then you have Bhusawal, right? So there are many connecting trains to Nandurbar, from Nandurbar to Mumbai, and there are many connecting trains to Nandurbar to Bhusawal, and also Nandurbar to Surat, right? Then we have what is the nearest airport. So there is no airport in Nandurbar. You have the nearest airport, which many of my batchmates use, is Surat International Airport, and also I've seen Nashik Airport and Indore Airport as well. So I'll just tell you how you can travel from Mumbai to Nandurbar and Pune to Nandurbar, because they are the major cities also. So from Mumbai to Nandurbar, since both of them lie on the same western route, you have every day there is कोई ना कोई तो express train you have that, okay, from Nandurbar railway station, and it only takes 7.5 hours from by that train. So yeah, that's that express. For Mumbai, there are some buses as well from Nandurbar, but जितना मुझे idea है, they only go up to Panvel, and they take about 16 hours to go by Panvel. Go to Panvel, right? And personal vehicle, it's up to you. You can come in 10 hours or you can come by 12 hours. It's not an issue. Pune to Nandurbar is a big hassle to come by train, because from Pune to Nandurbar there is not a single train, because दोनों का route अलग-अलग है. So if you want to come from Pune, you have to come through you come to Mumbai, and then you come via the trains. Or Pune guys, they have advantage because they have buses, direct buses from Nandurbar to Pune and vice versa. So it takes around 12 to 15 hours by buses from Pune, right? And also you have direct trains from Pune to Bhusawal as well, and Pune to Surat. And Surat is very close, like 2.5 hours from Nandurbar. So if you reach Surat by any chance, you can come to Nandurbar very easily. Night travel, bus availability. Okay, so bus availability, you have many STs here, MSRTC के buses, you have a lot of them, and they connect very beautifully to Nandurbar to various big cities in Maharashtra, like Nashik, you have Pandharpur, you have Sambhajinagar, you have Ahilya. Many of these big cities are connected by ST buses, and the frequency is also really nice. But if you are talking about the best buses kind of things जो locally यहाँ पे run करते हैं, there is no such thing here. Okay, so यहाँ पे public transport, there is no public transport here except the ST buses. You do not have the local buses, you do not have like Ola or Uber kind of the stuff, and then you do not also have what else you have? But you have auto rickshaws here, that's not a problem. But night travel, मतलब students are not encouraged to have night travel here, but many of the trains and buses, they come around like 8 or 9. It's a reasonable time. Then how is the patient load? Here in GMC Nandurbar, the strength of the patient load here is very nice. On Mondays, on Wednesdays, the hospital is like literally full of patients. And patients, you would not only get just rural patients or urban patients, you have a good mix of patients as well as the diseases for which they present here. From the urban part, you have the non-communicable diseases as well. From the rural part, you have the communicable and those diseases like the tribal related diseases like thal hai, sickle hai. Then you have goiter hai, kahan pe. You have many cases here. And the main part is there is diverse exposure present here. यहाँ पे आपको स्पेक्ट्रम डिजीजेस का बहुत अच्छे से देखने मिलेगा. सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट हियर कि द पेशेंट लोड इज़ वेरी गुड. इज अटेंडेंस स्ट्रिक्ट? I should say yes, but only in some subjects. बाकी के सब subjects में they are very lenient with attendance and but marks चाहिए. Attendance is lenient. Are professors supportive? Yes. Professors are very supportive here. Research ho, quizzes ho. If you want to go somewhere out of the college to represent the college, they are supportive. They are supportive for your research. They are supportive for your paper writing competition. They are supportive for everything. Okay, the professors which I have got to, they are very supportive, and everyone is like very nice here in Nandurbar. From the anatomy department to the OBGYN department here, from the first year to the fourth years, professors are really nice here. They are like very, I don't know, it feels very nice. How are the hostels here? Hostels यहाँ पे all the girls from the batches from 2020 to 2025 have been allotted hostels. So यहाँ पे कैसे है ना, यहाँ पे हमारा खुद का कैंपस नहीं है. Very unfortunate, but we don't have our campus here. We operate from the सिविल हॉस्पिटल एरिया, जहाँ पे सिविल हॉस्पिटल वहाँ पे आपके पोस्टिंग्स होंगे, एंड उसी के पीछे वी हैव आर आयुष बिल्डिंग एंड द MCH बिल्डिंग विच हैज़ बीन फॉर्म्ड न्यूली. वहाँ से फर्स्ट टू थर्ड ईयर के सब्जेक्ट्स वहाँ पे है, एंड द फोर्थ ईयर सब्जेक्ट्स आर डायरेक्ट टोटली शिफ्टेड टू द सिविल हॉस्पिटल. तो व्हाट वाज आई सेइंग, हाँ, सो दैट वाज अ बेसिक दिस थिंग. एंड हॉस्टल्स का बात किया जाए तो ऑन कैंपस यू डू नॉट हैव हॉस्टल्स. तो हॉस्टल्स जो है ना वो आपको देखने मिलेंगे कोकने हिल में, या यू ऑल्सो हैव इन सच, राइट. सो यहाँ पे हॉस्टल्स यू डोंट गेट देम जस्ट आफ्टर यू रिसीव एडमिशन हियर. यहाँ पे आपको कैसे करना पड़ता है, व्हेन यू गेट एडमिशन हियर मे बी 2 or 3 months के लिए यू विल हैव टू रेंट आउट एन अपार्टमेंट और एन पीजी समथिंग. 2-3 महीने के बाद इट इज़ वेरी श्योर दैट यू गर्ल्स, एटलीस्ट गर्ल्स, वुड गेट देयर ओन हॉस्टल. वो एक है. That is going to be the thing till our own campus is constructed. उसमें और 3-4 साल लग जाएगा कैंपस के लिए. The hostels are, I guess, ready. So if you are lucky, you will get those hostels. But if something happens, then be ready कि 2-3 महीने के लिए you get it out on rent the apartment, and then the hostels are allotted. Okay. The hostels के लिए I will do another video, boys and girls both. So this is just an overview. Okay, GMC Nandurbar. Extracurricular activities, yes, you have a lot of extracurricular activities here. Now cultural events में there are some festivals which are celebrated like with a total bang. We have Shiva Jayanti, we have Ganpati. It is like totally the time here in GMC Nandurbar. You have cultural events, dances, competitions, then you have plays, and then you have sports as well. You have the Winter Premier League, we have the Monsoon Premier League, we have the Summer Premier League. We have all those friendly matches with the professors as well, with our juniors, with our seniors, with our everybody. You will not be just sitting after coming to GMC Nandurbar. They have really nice sports. People play volleyball as well, volleyball, table tennis. It's really nice. You have even sports competitions here. We have the Vinayaka festival in during the Ganpati festival. So वहाँ पे you have the sports and the cultural events. तो sports के लिए you have volleyball, you have cricket, you have table tennis, just to name a few. और convocation हमारी जो 2020 बैच थी ना, हमारे सीनियर्स, सुपर सीनियर्स की, they were the first ones to graduate from here. So the convocation was held in Baba Resort, and the videos of the convocation and the sports and cultural events would be on the Instagram of GMC Nandurbar, JVM GMC Nandurbar. They also have a YouTube page on YouTube, and they have an Instagram page as well. So I'll link their Instagram IDs. And जो हमारा convocation हुआ था ना 2020 batch का, they are the pioneers from this institution. So जो pioneers का page है, that also I will link in the description. Student initiatives, yes, you have. I have many of my juniors and my batchmates who are doing incredibly well in research. ICMR में बहुत सारे लोग गए हैं. Many of them have gotten the STS scholarships as well. So student initiatives बहुत है. There are plays, there are quizzes, and the PSM department is like on the forefront for conducting everything, like from the quizzes to the role plays to going to the immunization unit, going to FAPs, everything. So they are like very enthusiastically going there. So that is nice. We have clubs as well. We have the dance club called Pralay. Just one club, abhi tak. But you have one club, and maybe you can come here and you can form your own clubs, right? That was that. And what else do we have here? Yeah, so the pros here would be there is a bit of less distraction because यहाँ पे इतना कुछ है नहीं एज कम्पेयर टू लाइक बिगर सिटीज़ मुंबई पुणे जैसे सिटीज़ से अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे यहाँ पे उतना कुछ डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं है. वी डोंट हैव क्लब्स हियर, वी डोंट हैव नथिंग, सो देर इज़ लेस डिस्ट्रैक्शन. वी हैव अ बैच ऑफ ओनली 100, सो यू हैव अ क्लोज नेट बैच हियर. यहाँ पे पेशेंट लोड इज़ ह्यूमंगस, so you have a good patient exposure, you have hands on experience. Like जहाँ जितना भी मैंने इंटर्न से बात किया है, when they are interns यहाँ पे they also have assisted many normal deliveries. They have assisted in many procedures in the OT. They have assisted in many LSCS. They have assisted in many pleural tappings like ascitic tappings, you name it, and they have done it here. So hands on opportunity के लिए it is a very good college. क्योंकि जब भी हमारे इंटर्न्स थे ना तभी the मैन पावर हियर वॉज नॉट गुड, मतलब उतना नहीं था मैन पावर. आफ्टर देम गोइंग इन टू देयर इंटर्नशिप वी हैव लाइक SRs कमिंग इन, वी हैव द JRs कमिंग इन, सो वर्कलोड अभी डिवाइड हो. बट आवर सीनियर्स they have done it all, and if I tell you they have done it all, they have really done it all. So hands on experience का कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पेशेंट एक्सपोजर का कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But the only problem is कि it is a tribal area, it is in like rural parts of area, and the connectivity here is only good with the bigger cities, right? So yes, that was that, and yeah, that was that. I have like tried to answer all these questions from the basics. I know it is a bit too basic to make a video about, but still I wanted to put this information out there because I wanted to be an objective kind of thing, not subjective. But yeah, so if you have any problems or any queries related to GMC Nandurbar or anything, please comment on this video, and also please you can message me on Instagram. And also, if after seeing this video you have like gotten admitted to GMC Nandurbar, I would love to meet you in the campus as well. I am from the 2022 batch, and I don't expect you to know my name or anything, but still you can come and meet me. I'm always ready to meet new people. So yes, just before going, let me introduce myself once again. I am Shraddha Dhag. I am a 4th year student in GMC Nandurbar. I can't believe I'm saying that I am a 4th year student. Now can you believe our seniors are interns now? I cannot believe that, right? So yeah, so I am in my 4th year in GMC Nandurbar. I make videos about anything and everything I find interesting about, which is majorly my studies, and yeah, nothing else. I would try and make all those 3 videos as soon as possible so that it helps you to narrow down your choices in the CCT counseling process. So all the best for your counseling process, and let's meet in the campus as well. So bye bye, say yes to more. Cheers.